So this unit is what we call an oldie but goodie. It has some good features, good specs, and you just don't want to give up on it, so you want to do a few fixes. So we did a speaker replacement. Speakers were blown, ripped out the HDD, drop in a SSD, clean up the fan, clean up the memory slots because the machine wouldn't turn on because of excess dust that was in the machine. We changed the bottom cover that had some broken screw holes so it couldn't sit properly and wouldn't close properly. We did some back cover, some hinge loosening. The hinge was very tight and old and just, so we had to get that loosened up, and it was able to now open and close pretty easily, and give it a general clean and have it ready for the road again. So this oldie but goodie is back on the road again for another couple of years. Just need some additional maintenance each year, dusting especially. Dust gets pulled into the fans and it goes onto the memory chips, and if that happens, the machine will not start. So that's what we did today. It's i5 Jamaica Services.